How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can clip Rust with Metal TV. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to Metal TV, and from here you could just set your quick setting. So the first one is going to be our clip hotkey. Now basically with this one, you want to set your hotkey. So in this way, we just want to press this simple button, and then it will actually start the clip on Metal. In here, you can also set the duration of your clip. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing 15 seconds. After setting everything up from your setting, your hotkey, your quality, and more, you then want to open up Rust. So in my case, since basically all of the application works the same, you just want to make sure that they're open up on your Windows computer. And basically from here, you can confirm it by navigating through the Now Clipping button. Generally, there isn't an application right here, but after opening one, it will simply automatically detect the application. If not, you could do multiple things, which is to click on the add game option, and basically from here click add another game, and then you have the ability to select the application open up on your device. So in my case, this is the open device. Of course, you want to select Rust, and then you will be able to clip it that way. Now, after making sure that it says now clipping Rust, open up the Rust application, and then it's as simple as pressing your hotkey button. Basically, you will be able to find your clips inside the library, which is going to be this one. And here it is right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.